Thousands of people participate in October Mass Rally 2018 for peace, unity and integrity under initiative of United Committee Manipur. Various communities of the state resolved to unitedly stand for the integrity of Manipur during a public meet following October Mass Rally at Kumanlampak. And Manipur observes National Unity Day in relation to 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Chief Minister N. Biren flags off Run for Unity race. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjam, bringing you the top stories. The October Mass Rally 2018 for peace, unity and integrity under the initiative of United Committee Manipur UCM for safeguarding the territorial integrity of Manipur was carried out successfully with the participation of thousands of people today. Peoples of various ethnic groups, professionals, CSOs, sportspersons, political parties and students took part in the mass rally, chanting various slogans for protecting the integrity of the state. The rally on the theme Manipur Live and Grow Together flagged off from Tirim Ground and Kwakathil around 7 this morning. The rally is passed through Kaishampa Junction, Waheng Laikai, Nagamapal, Thangmaiban, Kongnang Anikarak and finally concluded at Kumanlampak Sports Complex, where a public meeting attended by leaders of various communities and private organizations was conveyed. Leaders of both the hills and the valley resolved to unitedly stand against the alleged divide and rule policy of the country and safeguard the unity and integrity of the state. Speaking to media, former president of UCM, Johnson Langbam, asserted that the mass rally is a significant one for the people of the state. He intimated that despite the rally, the Indian government and 6 Naga national political groups convened a meeting today itself to come up with a final blueprint draft proposal of Indo-Naga Framework Agreement. He termed the act as a challenge to the people of Manipur and warned of unprecedented resolution from tomorrow if the meeting goes against the interests of the state. Johnson nonchalantly condemned United Naga Council for calling band and general strike whenever any event is organized for safeguarding the unity of Manipur. State police, parliamentary force and traffic police kept a strict vigil in Imphal city to avoid any unwanted incidents during the event.
Ngasigi kongchirasi yamna maruoiba kongchirama nena lawe ngasi numirasi maktada bar sarkar amasung NSN IM gi santigi wari asigi pungoina sathariba asida saru yariba working group ama akogi national naga national political group taruki muching New Delhi da makoi issue akogi framework agreement asigi final blueprint draft proposal puthokani hairiba simak sinjelagliba simak akoi ngasi gi kongchirasi gi yenga kanda thanguta sengna chinge na sinbene kongthang nen khalli Hanjan Manipur Miam Yade Haiba, Wafam Singasi, Aren Ravi, Amadi, Bar Sarkana, Nasi Fawa, Pantona, Honor Lagli, Kolos, and Soy Namaki, Dili, Orakanda, Yapamba Simkoi Kanga, Tabak, Torkanin Kali Karigumba, Nasi Numirasida, Miam, Kaliba Wafam Singasi, one with the Karigumba, Heclor, Taragati, Hayang Dagiti, Manipur Miangi, Badugumba, Kontang, Amamulor, Yabagi, Tanzar, Sodan Lagan in the Kali, Manipur Gapai, Kanabuki the Makta, Atobo, Wadipamus, Logo Dori, Sataki Framework Agreement, Sigi Matanga, Jagame Amsung, Naga political group Taluka Loina Hose framework agreement Chapsava Wapam Kanga with New Delhi the Wadi Sanari have poems in Peng News Napangli Nakalam Aniki Marto Wadi Saneva in the Manipur Nakai Sola Katanaka Natraka Sola Vidra Hybrid Kamang Abu Karigumba Manipur Nakai Sola Targadi among the Tokiba Jun tribe and Tokdok Adudiki Hena Sawa Asobo Miami Ihova Mishimina Torpa Yabagi Akiba lady camera person to come to Wasco in Pogdum Zariba Archimanga in Peg News Komalampak.
Leaders of various communities of both the hills and the valley took resolutions for unitedly protecting the state during the public meeting held at Kumanlampak Hockey Stadium after the October Mass Rally today. The first resolution is to stand against any challenge to state's political, social, historical, economical identity and unity and disintegration of Manipur or extension of the Article 371 Clause A or similar or implementation of autonomous regional council. The second resolution is to stand against any divisive force of the world trying to disintegrate the age-old unity and integrity of the state. And the third and the last resolution is to take a strong stand in the wake of Indian government trying to disintegrate the state. Speaking in the event ahead of taking the resolutions, Chairman of Zaliarong Union, Imphal Zone, DK Gaikem asserted that a mass rally and the meeting was necessitated as the state is at the verge of disintegration due to self-centric attitude of different communities of the state. He asserted that no force can disintegrate the state if every communities of the state stand united. Leaders of Tangkhul, Aimol, Kuki and other communities of Manipur also called for love and unity to safeguard the state's territorial integrity. Taking part in the meeting, UCM President Sunil Karam stated that the resolutions taken will be apprised to the Prime Minister of India.
Mai horol dagi hauna punna khunda laita minaraglaba Manipur gi kanglup purup kaya gi political, social, historical, economical identity amadi amatto oibagi lipunbu singnarak payaroi laipak ngalon gi thausil amatanasu iramdam gi apunba lamkai gi saruk manghanba amadi laipak thugaina bagi masak oiraba Article 371A ga manaba amadi Autonomous Regional Council na chingba amata Manipur State Government amadi miyam gi ayab yaudana semlak payaroi haidana ngasigi miyam na lepnare karigumba Government of India na Manipur gi miyam gi apam gi mayokta laipak thugaina basilak pataragade Manipur miyam na iramdam kannana bagi damak amasung tungi laibak lepchana bagi damakta achet papirem loba haina ngasigi miyam na lepnare.
Mahut Minister and MLA Andhra Assembly Constituency Thaunauchem Shyam Kumar has inaugurated a joint Mairapai shade for Paurekhunjin, Laishram and Saugrapam Leikai in Andhra constituency today. Speaking on the occasion, Shyam Kumar highlighted the importance of education in the development of a society. Shyam Kumar assured that the present government under the leadership of Chief Minister Nongthombam Birain is giving top priority for promoting education in the state. Many people of Paurekhunjin, Laishram and Saugrapam Leikai attended the event. It may be mentioned that the shade was constructed under Local Area Development Fund.
Isasu miyam se mapung mari phana makhong ge laik lasu tamal haudradi khoi malem jim kha pon ngani aduni ngasi khoina andro kendra da ai matik sa da gasu ai mapung pha da gasu hagole riba andro kendra gi nong tholakene emele tholakene mi se tholakene kendra stagi aduna chap chana laisu tamal makhong de senga tamal lagadi taksi kasi nai rakani dismin kha kani mama mama sa kha kani sage de mak kha kani I mari ngai sen kha kani ngasi di ngai sen masa khandi kari gna da makhong de gi hawk da bagya chu khudam mani taksi kasi yaudraba education yaudraba khonai ado Mikha pon gani ada taksi ka se ipabon thamiri bat nat culture jokhatpa loinamak librarian khonamba na bona khonamba gobinda khome amje senga ta khonam gadi khoi keno tawgani na thamjari.
CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam has assured to make adequate cooking gas available in view of the upcoming Ningol Chakoba celebration. The minister disclosed that the department concerned has access LPG cylinder for 11 days in stock. Karam Shyam was speaking at the inaugural of a public utility convenience of Sinam Shyama Devi Town Hall sponsored by Indian Oil Corporation IOC Limited in Chingmairong today. A 5 kg free trade LPG cylinder mobile delivery van was also flagged off on the occasion. The minister lauded IOC for the initiative and stated that it will curb scarcity of gas cylinders in the state, expressing concerns that some uninformed people attacked him and the IOC without knowing the fact that IOC is an independent autonomous body during a TV discussion program. Minister Karam Shyam warned that such attacks will go against public interests. He urged the people to appreciate good endeavors of the government and not to pass criticism at every step. CGM of Indian Oil AOT State Office Uttiya Bhattacharya, Deputy Manager RS and LLC Manipur Sinam Ibungoton, former Professor of the Urology Department of RIMS Sinam Rajendra, President of Chingmairong Maninglaikai Singlup Yumnam Chandrakumar and many people attended the event.
Tang Kundaruki Pung Nipan Naina give a discussion award and Naina report say Madu reasonable Oibra Oidabra IOC Minister Karamba Marie Lene IOC Ibasigi Nungi Wanto Kangabra Manipur gas distributor to reversing say Yam Labang Masata the Bueno Ulaga one Nainabagi Maram Karigino all illegation minister Matagata way. Aduga Yamna privilege sopa ethics Kangaba Port Karang Ngamba Maramdi Minister contact over Kana phone Pangdi PRO and Mantri Matakta Library Manipur Miam Tan Ngangi Bani Hibase Masana Kanjadil Indian Oil Corporation Limited Hibasiki Wanto Kangde Manipurgi Midnakung Weriba Pundare Makai Powder exporting the work Nainaba Tingi Maram Karigino Atamabanda Amjugi President Kudak the resign to give Maram Karigino Nainariba Muitaki Tariba Mina and intellectual way like Shuaiba Heli Maram Sai Chati Kangba Muitaki Hele other personal allegation to Maram Karigino Maram Sava Torupakanda good suggestion people that Quina Yaro Jabalati.
The Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles will organize a cycle rally tomorrow ahead of Manipur International's Textiles Expo Manitex 2018 to be held on November 5th. Speaking to media at the Office of Handlooms and Textiles Directorate in Lamphil today, Director of the Directorate, Lamli Kamai, stated that many professional cyclists, artisans and weavers of the state will participate in the cycle rally to be flagged off from Moirang and Kakching. He said, Speaker Yumnam Khemchan and many MLAs will take part in the rally and appeal for public support. Commerce and Textiles Minister Thongam Beswajit will flag in the rally at Nilakuthi Urban Hit and release a program leaflet of the 11-day-long Manitex 2018.
Manitex cycle release ki mapung oiba akoi ki pandam objective mapung oiba akoi ki aim and objective jaga jaga gi adagi lam du gi pisalun sa toba maikai tongan ba jaga adi laktana ko cycle thogudoriba cycle thobudi yaubi reiba nataga cycle thobada ya masisida pangiba khuding makpu masi okpagi thorom pareng ama lambi se so koina masi sinjari khoi gi paujendi ado khoi ki rally si cycle thoba khaktu gi nate cycle thor sachari basi manipur da helum amadi pisalon sa da khutsa haibi gi thabakta paikhaliba amadi pai togudoriba singsida puning thogatpa amadi puthoiba mayam se khoi mayam na sinabiraga makhoi gi semilon da senda lambi da mapung phana sen se marang kaina tanbada makhoi gi jibika hingbada mateng pangbiu haibagi madugi paujel adu cycle se sida pura chachabani.
Lanlaima Handloom and Handicraft Northeast Artisans Hub and a new office building of Laima Thrift and Credit Cooperative Society Limited were inaugurated near Mata Cinema Hall in Singtumai K3 Laika today. Speaking in the inaugural event organized by Laima Group, Singtumai Imphal Commerce and Industry Minister Thongam Biswajit asserted that coordination between the public and the government is necessary for bringing a development and peaceful society. He welcomed positive criticism instead of unjustifiable attacks on the government.
Participation highest participation modern society women market every young Pudimaka, Helum Havase, it becomes tradition. Akulem Hill the Su, every young Pudimaka, my Congress Habaki will get another young Kongi Wagera, young Pudimaka Lum like the Base, Ayamalem. My commercial industry minister Inza, when I put me out to say, Manipur is the highest weaver machine level in the other top levels. Aduga, Akulika said, I think machine Yamashung level in the other top level. There are notices that many participation wangi, sing the Suwangi.
Joint Students Coordination Committee JSCC has formed Monitoring Committee on Colleges Students Union 2019-20 and declared its 14 rules and regulations for the upcoming Students Union elections of colleges affiliated to Manipur University to be held on November 6. Speaking to media at AMSU headquarters today, convener of the Monitoring Committee, Thokchom Suresh, intimated that AMSU, MSF, KSA and SUK have always convened monitoring committees since 2011 to conduct free, fair and peaceful elections in colleges and higher secondary schools. He appealed to the election committee of the colleges to promote the same and warned to blacklist any candidate who violates the 14 rules and regulations. The rules effective as of today includes prohibition of elections-related mass feasting, distribution of money to woo voters, home campaigning, etc.
Akoi hariba election sing ase mapung phananaba amadi akoi phatanungda adi khana chainaba tonganba thoningdaba thodok sing thoktanaba honabada akoina JCC gi chatminariba loop sing gi oiba akoigi college ki student union gi election sigi khaktagi oina masibu monitor tongnanaba akoi monitoring cell ama JCC gi oina akoi ngasi seme ha
maru oina point number 14 asi koi mathakta piriba chana kanglon haibadi point number 1 to 13 asi ngalktaba candidate adubu candidate oibadagi tok naba monitoring cell of the college student union election 2018-19 na khangan gani kari gumba code of conduct asi thugairaga candidate amana election mai pakra su mahakpu koi design ta hongani.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC commemorated the 34th death anniversary of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi at Congress Bhavan today. Former Chief Minister Okrami Bobi, former Deputy Chief Minister Gekangam, MPCC President T.N. Haukip, Congress MLAs and party members paid floral tributes at the portrait of the former leader. Speaking on the occasion, Okrami Bobi praised late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi as one of the most powerful women leaders of the world. He stated that a nation must never forget the extraordinary feats she undertook during her time as a Prime Minister of the country. He added, Indira Gandhi not only gave her life for the country but also promoted unity and equality. Bobi called Congress members to promote her goodwill to the people in her reverence. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Seva Dal also organized a blood donation camp on the occasion.
Mana taugena khalamba mana pambiramba mana mamale bak majati ki damtada kathokiba madugi spirit adu matam punamakta akoi kaubam thokte adu mana taugena khalamba lairaba poor and downtrodden kungangda sor lei mayam punamaksinche koi chak manana Manipur ki context ta hargada sing amasung tamda lairiba akoi punamak chak manana sakhat minaba minaba haibadugi objective ni akoi ngasi jariba che aduna koi punamakna matam punamakta Indira jina mana kathok pikiba mana taugena khalamba thabak singada koi pangthokpa ngamnaba hona si
Rashtriya Sankalp Divas National Rededication Day observance to mark the death anniversary of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi was held at the Conference Hall of Old Secretariat today. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister N. Biren recalled Indira Gandhi's contributions in safeguarding the integrity of India and bringing the country forward towards advancement and development. Ministers, MLAs and high-ranking civil and police officers attended the event. Responding to media queries in connection with Nagamapal bomb blast, Chief Minister Biren intimated that the bomb blast incident might be handed over to National Investigation Agency NIA. Biren warned that once the NIA takes up the case, all the civil society organizations of the state will come under its strict purview. Vigilance Awareness Week was also observed at the conference hall on the theme Eradicate Corruption and Build a New India, where many top civil and police officials took pledge against corruption.
No, actually, I could not blame the whole, but even though it is very unfortunate part, as civil societies, how they are involved in such the terrorist act and the weapons were recovered, and this has to be reviewed. This has to be reviewed, but the particular case might be taken up through NIA. And if NIA has taken the case, I think some type of screenings amongst the civil societies might be taken place. Almost we have found evidence, we have arrested those who are involved. The further they revealed, we have to see. Only that we will take a decision.
And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news National Unity Day observance in Manipur. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Chief Minister and Biren flagged off Run for Unity race as a part of the National Unity Day observance in relation to the 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in front of Yumnam Leka, Yumjau Laidinbi this morning. The Unity Run organized by BJP Manipur Pradesh concluded at Iboyai Masumang Lila, Sanglin and Palace Compound. Chief Minister Biren led members of BJP Manipur Pradesh, including party president KSH Bhabananda, in pledging for the unity of the country. Speaking to media ahead of the run, Biren recalled the contributions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in uniting India when divisive forces plagued the country even after the colonial rule ceased. He appealed to observe National Unity Day in reverence to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for all his contributions.
Bharat Ekta Bharat Akanba Bharat Madhudaida Sri Sardar Patel na to Wiramba port adubo kuina sakhangba recognize oba mabu respect oba mabu ningsingnaba aduga Bharat ki apunma saptam Ekta Bharat hen mapangal kangkhalanaba unity days unity India do sanggot pani and masidaida mayam Manipur mayam punamak na sarugabio aduga sagot piu haidana Bharat Jana Party ki maikaidagi aduga sarkar ki maikaidagi appeal tokje.
The state-level Rashtriya Ekta Divas National Unity Day observance was held at the 1st Manipur Rifles ground today. For the first time, state-level observance witnessed parade by 8 contingent, even though the day has been observed since 2014. Chief Minister N. Biren has assured of even grander National Unity Day celebration in relation to the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel next year. It may be recalled that Prime Minister Narendra Modi named the birth Day of freedom fighter Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel as Rashtriya Ekta Divas in 2014 in reverence to the freedom fighters' contributions in uniting the country. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren asserted that it is not the time to plot against one another, but it is time to unite for an equal all-round development. CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam, Education Minister Thonacham Radheshyam, MLAs and top Manipur police officials attended the event.
Yanadabagi Maram Sinbagi Matamaduna, the country, Apunbagi Septum, Canasation, and never Amadipuna Sapapa, Lamdama, we had never a quick Mangula, you welcome see positive comedy, constructive way like we puna, some in the world,
District Administration Imphal East also held Run for Unity race on the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel today. DC Imphal East TH Chitra led a Run for Unity from MSFDC Hall, Palace Compound till DC Complex, Porumpat. Departmental staffs and security personnel of Imphal East District attended the event.
Siga Mari Lenana, Akoina, District Administration, Imphal East Sinzaduna, Lady Bakoi official staff, Amadi, general public Kalonana, the Gi armed personnel sing Yaudana, Akoi Punna, Haiba Mapamasidi, Mayamgi Oiba, Run for Unity, Haiba, Koigi, Kanosi, Koi Sinzabani, Matunda, Akoina, Play Chama, Akoi Apunbagi Oiba, Koigi, Wasaka Malomina, Bagaloina, Haiba, Akoigi, anniversary, Sequin observed.
District Administration, Thoubal also observed both the National Unity Day and Rashtriya Sankalp Divas at the conference hall of the Thoubal DC office today. Run for Unity race was also held in relation to Rashtriya Ekta Divas at border town of Mori today. SP Technopal Dr. S. Bomcha led the mini marathon organized by Technopal District Police. Police officers, members of various civil society organizations and youths in Mori took part in the race.
Akoigi nationgi integrity and the unity da singnarak papunamak to koi thengnaminasi haiba koi wakhala siga loinana koi Run for Unity Rashtriya Ekata Divas haiba do koi adugi matungina koi mini marathon asi koi chenjagani mayam punamak cheminarasi haibasi koi mayam da appeal togani.
54th Battalion Border Security Force under the aegis of Sector Headquarter Border Security Force CI OBS Koiringai celebrated Ekta Divas 2018 at its counter-insurgency post and headquarters today. The day was observed by organizing Run for Unity at headquarters Loktak. Jawans and officers at the battalion took part in the Run for Unity for the nation, followed by troops march past and plate-taking ceremony administered by 2nd IC officiating commandant for 54 Battalion MKT Simte, in which the troops swore to preserve the unity, integrity and security of the nation. Officials of the battalion also visited Bal Vidya Mandir School in Tokong as a part of its civic action program and presented sports item and 2 500 liters water storage to school principal Laishram Keshav. Students, teaching staffs and managing committee of the school expressed heartfelt gratitude to BSF. Executive members of PDCC Kundrakpam and former president of Icham and Rajendra have availed the long-awaited government pensions to 8 differently able persons of Kundrakpam constituency today. Speaking to media, N. Rajendra stated that several differently able persons of the constituency were deprived of their allotted pensions since a long time, so PDCC took the initiative to avail the same.
Social welfare da dagi Jenims ta koi angang soi baji gari ning nek na puna du kem ta kana ba phangde ano government je lak matam da honorable CM da chatlaga hajiru matam da application am tharo na hai application am tharo na habdu nimit di pohudrimna koi yunam ko da leiba ga boyim na ta chatlaga tawjuru matam da koi masi kana baji phange
kana go makhana magi masaji hujiksu phongdoktana ai sa se kamai tawna pham puthok toino haidana phongdoktana lolaga thamba yauri kana makhana noina torbi scheme do kesu kana roi rajinti gi obi machine thibini haina simaina namjalaga thamba yaubiri bse maruina ngasi aina media gi thongna na appeal tawjabadi madu karimata lobidana akoi khunak pamda laga PDC una bibama natragana akoi gi health office ta chalakana social welfare chabi chalakana mari leina ba officer jing tana biraga hairba ngasi phangiba khudong chaba singse akoi na chatpada yobungam da kasin kuyada leiriba khuding makto amutang thokpiraga anobo government sina Pibiriba, Miang Mana, Makwing to Pibiriba, Cannabis, Lobiu, High Night, appeal to
A double bench of the High Court of Manipur comprising of Chief Justice Ramalingam Sudhakar and Justice Gage Nobin directed the veterinary and the health departments to take measures to counter the spread of rabies in municipal town Alpanchayat areas. The decision was made in response to a PIL filed by one retired doctor, Khetri Mayum Manglem from Taupal district. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah conveyed her heartiest greetings to the people of Manipur, especially Kuki Chin Mizo community on the happy and auspicious occasion of Good Festival celebrated on November 1st. In her message, the governor stated that the post-harvest Chavang Good Festival is celebrated across the state in thanksgiving for the bountiful harvest. She also said the festival witnesses performances of rich cultural items of Kuki Chin Mizo community. The governor urged everyone on the auspicious occasion of Good Festival to forget all differences and work together to usher in peaceful and prosperous Manipur and strengthen the age-old glorious traditions of peaceful coexistence among communities in the state. Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren also conveyed his heartiest greetings to the people of the state, especially Kuki Chin Mizo community, on the joyous occasion of Good Festival 2018. Chief Minister Biren in his message stated that the spirit of Good Festival is about sharing, understanding, harmonious coexistence, cooperation and merriment. Biren hoped that the festival will propagate love, peace, compassion and forgiveness for a peaceful coexistence among all ethnic groups of the state. Speaker Yumnam Khemchan has also greeted the people of the state on the occasion of Chavangkut. The speaker wished for the festival to bring love, harmony and prosperity in the state. Senior actors Guild of Manipur held a condolence meeting to mourn the untimely demise of renowned film and theatre actor Huirin Manglin today. Attendees stood up and observed a 2-minute silence in homage to the departed soul and shared the griefs of the bereaved families. The grand finale of Mitai Chanu 2018, organized by Lining Thosana Mahi Sanapung, is being held in the auditorium of Manipur State Film Development Society in Palace Compound. 20 contestants made to the grand finale out of the total 50 contestants, including contestants from Assam. Top 3 winners, including Mitai Chanu 3416 title and 3 other subtitle winners, will be selected tonight. Speaking to media, convener of the organizing committee, Vaikom Ananda, stated that Mitai Chanu contest is not just a beauty contest, but it is a contest organized with an aim to preserve the indigenous culture and traditions of the state. It may be mentioned that Lashram Shila bagged the title last year.
Malaming asi hongaiba globalization gi akan masapu marak asida Manipur de hingliba maitai gumba natragna tongan ba furup macha mayam sing asigi mamangai dagi hinglakliba makhagi chanalonsat amadi masagi lilam kayabu globalization gi sapuna kanna namsalak mata masida tangai mak phadana aikoi furup macha sing hingliba mayam sing asigi chanalonsat tradition culture punamak sing ase kannana bagi asoba yawol ama lakpasigi iroinana laindong sanamahi sanapungna masigi asigumba Mitai Chanu haidana mingthonba ahumlak suba masak phajaba amadi sakhenbi nupising khanbagi asuguma changeng ase koi pangthok jabani.
And in sports news, Neroka FC in Gokulam, Kerala were drawn 1-1 in the ongoing 12th edition of the Hero I-League 2018-19 match at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium today. Striker of Kerala FC Boro opened the scoring for the visitors at the stroke of the half-time, but Brazilian defender of Neroka FC, Eduardo Ferreira, struck in a perfect equalizer at the 59th minute to open their tally. Neroka FC will play their first home-away match against Aizawl FC at Aizawl on November 7th. Officials of Manipur Olympic Association (MOA) held a press meet in the conference hall of MOA in Kuman Lampak Sports Complex today. The officials expressed gratitude for the massive public support shown during the course of the first ever Northeast Olympic Games. MOA President and Education Minister Tej Radheshyam, MOA Secretary Sunil Elangbam, Senior Vice President GAI Bupishak, and many members of the association took part in the press meet. It may be recalled that Manipur bagged the overall champion of the first edition, held from October 24 to 28, with a medal tally of 157, 79 gold, 47 silver and 31 bronze medals. The organizers appealed to the people of the state to support such mass events even in the future.
Rajya Nipan player lising amaga chatruk ki mayana participate tawgi ba official adagi atai yawarga lising ani mayani stage games yam successfully pangthokhiba irang amata leitana asuenga amti yawna pangthokhiba sigidamagta koi mayam puno ku thaga chage tawni aduga department sing tongan government ki adagi non government organization sing koi bu sponsor tawgirakpa referee oina judge oina yawi hiba player sing staff sing official sing Saigi official sing adagi staff sing aduga sports department ki tongan department ki khudummapu soina haninga letana thagachari.
Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Thousands of people participate in October Mass Rally 2018 for peace, unity and integrity under the initiative of United Committee Manipur. Various communities of the state resolved to unitedly stand for the integrity of Manipur during a public meet following October Mass Rally at Kuman Lampak today. And Manipur observed National Unity Day in relation to 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Chief Minister N. Biren flags off Run for Unity race.